if you're looking for a way to organize your web pages, bookmark them, curate them, mark them up, annotate them, as well as take notes directly on them or right next to them, then Diigo may be the platform for you. Make sure after you have signed up for your free account that you add the Diigo extension that I have that's right here and the Diigolet. You'll be using both of those quite a bit as you use this platform. The way you are able to curate the web pages is through tags. You can do as many tags as you need, and that is a great way when you're doing research to group things together so that they are all available. I have tagged some transportation. Now I can go to those and just those will come up. Let's click on the Diigolet so you can kind of see the different kind of things that you are able to annotate. You can use a highlighter, bookmark, sticky note, read later, share, and then this Diigo will take you back to all of your different main pages. Let's take a look at one of the web pages that I've already begun to annotate. You can see on this page that I have some sticky notes already. This is a great site for transportation, as well as know the answers to these questions by the end of the article. And I was able to highlight. I just click on it, then I come over and I highlight it with the pen. I can also do that when I'm here. I can change the color. Let's see, I'm going to change the color to blue. If I don't want it highlighted anymore, I just click the trash can. This share is a great way to link your web pages to your students. I found that you could use Twitter, Facebook, or email, but I found that if I get the annotated link, I can go directly to my Google Classroom. Put that link on for my students, and then they can open what I've already annotated for them, where I could ask them questions, have them take notes on an article that I begin to annotate for them. Of course, older students can be annotating as they are working on it. Let's go to the extension. There are several ways that you can annotate, but one of the features I wanted to make sure I showed you was how to open the outliner sidebar. You can create outliners that are also tagged that will put all of the web pages that you have found with that tag together, and then the students can, or you can, take notes on those articles. So here's the fastest train, but here's another one. What is a steamboat that I've also put on the transportation outliner. I'm going to open the outliner sidebar, and I can add notes. Who invented the steamboat? So I can read the article, and then I can cut and paste, or I can type the name into the outliner. Well, I hope that you find this as useful as I did. The tags are a great way to organize, and the note-taking possibilities are endless. I really hope that you get a chance to use this with your students. I see that you could use it for almost all topics that have information on are doing research on the internet.